Hi everyone, quick little product review here. I don't do many of these as you know, but sometimes I get my hands on something and I think, yeah, I have to tell other people about this. And this is one of those products. This is a bag from a company called IronJias. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Saw this online on the internet, IronJias.com. And the Chinese company, but I was looking for a bag which I could, in fact I came up with this idea after going to the ABR festival this summer. I really wanted a bag which was totally waterproof, which I could put things like clothes in and everything, because I'd sort of maxed out the panniers on the BMW which I took over to the ABR with all the camping stuff like the tent, the sleeping bag and all of that sort of stuff. And I had nowhere left to put my clothes in and keep them dry, and it lashed down on the way over there. So I came up with wanting a bag just to solve that purpose, and I think I found it. So this arrived, I ordered it on their website, ironjs.com, as I said earlier. This arrived within a week to Ireland. Look at the size of that. It's a 50-litre bag. Now, I could possibly go away for a month, to be honest, with my wardrobe, and put all your toiletries and everything in that. It's made of PVC. I've done a couple of shots unboxing. It's in that other format, the portrait format, so I'll just show you a couple of other shots now, because I made an Instagram reel for it. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, well then do so, and you can watch the whole reel, and that is also at Wheelie Good TV. So as I'm playing you that reel, I shall just warble on a little bit about that. Well, I won't be playing you the whole reel, of course, because you'll tune out. So come back to me now. In fact, I must introduce Zach, my youngest son. I nearly said eldest son. Zach's my youngest son, and he's doing the camera for me today. It's great having all of these children, because they can help me out with the videos. So anyway, I have a little demo I'm going to do. So I've just got like a winter coat just to demonstrate, because I'm not going to film me putting my boxer shorts and my socks in here as I'm going to be doing. So put the coat in there, and you can see I'm in 50-litre capacity. It's made of PVC as well, so even if you're riding along in the rain and it's absolutely lashing down, while some bags do say they're waterproof and keep your clothes dry, because this is PVC, it's not going to let any water in, and it's a roll top, so it's velcroed just like that, and then you roll it. Now, I think the website says you have to roll it at least 3 times, but this is the clever thing, okay? By the way, I chose it in this colour, which is like a neutral sort of beige colour, because it'll sort of match, well, my collection of bikes. It'll go on any of the bikes. You can also get it in black if you didn't like this colour. But yeah, like I said, this is the clever bit. We'll just fasten this up first. There's straps and buckles everywhere. It comes with 4 sort of mountain straps. Actually, I should have taken them off. When I made the Instagram reel the other day, I left the mountain straps actually on the Royal Enfield. So it comes with 4 of these. So you can absolutely tie the bag onto, well, any bike you like. They're all adjustable and whatever else. So it's all very... so come back around here again, Zach. Can you remember the old-fashioned cookery program, which Keith Floyd, and he always used to talk to his cameraman. I think his cameraman was called Clive, and Keith Floyd always used to say, "Get a shot in here, Clive." So I feel like I'm doing the same with Zach. Anyway, what was I talking about? Yeah, the clever bit. You see, I digress. I think it's something to do with my age. This is great. Now look at this. That's a little air vent, so you can collapse the bag down a little bit more. When you've got everything you want to put in the bag, you then squeeze the bag like so. If only I could do that with myself. I'm feeling permanently inflated these days. So once you've squeezed all the air out, stop laughing. Once you've squeezed all the air out, you can lock the vent and hey ho, you can shrink it down to, obviously I'm only doing this for demo purposes for this video, but you can shrink it down to whatever size you like. I suppose you could also, well, you don't really need a pannier rack. This would sit on your pillion seat, you know, as well, but I'm sure your creative genius would work out exactly where you'd like to put the bag on your motorbike. It'll change for every bike. So once you have that like that, let's go over here again, Zach. And we'll do a quick little demo of the bag on like that. Now, I could have absolutely done with squeezing more air out. There's more straps and buckles and everything here. Am I turning all blue on my face because of the neon signs? I won't worry too much about that. I think it might be a little bit better there. If I am blue, I apologise. So you can work out what you want to do with all the straps and buckles, but I actually think it looks great. It does obviously come with the handles as well if you just wanted to use it as a normal day bag. The other handle I've tied in there, so you can absolutely use it as a day bag. Comes with a shoulder strap as well, so absolute multi-purpose. So this is a bit like here's one I made earlier because I had the straps already pre-mounted on the bike. So there we go. This is great. Having a cameraman. Imagine doing this one-handed, which is what I normally do when I do videos like this. It's a bit difficult. I also have another job for Zach, though. He doesn't know it yet. I'm going to spring it on him in a minute. Now look at how good and how secure that is. Obviously you tuck the straps in, but for the purposes of this video I won't bother doing that. Come around and get a shot of this, Zach. Now he's just checking his phone as young people do. Imagine that, being a cameraman and checking his phone all at the same time. Multi-talented. So I just think let's try and get a wide shot there just so we can see how good it looks on the bike. I think it looks absolutely brilliant. I'm delighted with it, I really am. Did I tell you already? I think I did. €60. And no tax as well, which is the other thing. Quite often when I'm buying things online, they'll arrive and the delivery driver will want another €20 customs tax. No tax on this, for whatever reason. It's brilliant. I'm really delighted. Now, come back around here, Zach, and I shall tell you your next task. My other little task for Zach is to test how waterproof it is. So in typical true Irish fashion, it's been raining non-stop today until I wanted to test the bag out in the rain. So I have a cunning plan. Now, my turn to hold the camera now. This is Zach in the background. He's a very good-looking lad. I don't know where he got his amazing looks from. But you can see he's holding a hose pipe. This is the waterproof test because the rain has stopped. So for the next 30 minutes, Zach is going to absolutely saturate the bag, which we have here on the floor, with the hose pipe. Whilst I go for a lovely cup of tea, I might even read the paper. Are you ready for this, Zach? Sure. Now, I can see Charlie here as well. Charlie loves the hose. Shall we turn the hose on? You can see how Charlie reacts to the hose. He absolutely... So, we won't necessarily soak the dog. This is all about the bag. But I think Charlie has maybe one or two genes missing because he just loves playing with the hose pipe. Right, okay, Zach, let's spray the bag for the next 30 minutes. And the time starts now. Oh, this is a really good test. I think we might have to get Charlie inside, but as you can see, the water is as you can see, the water is literally bouncing off the bag. So I might have to make the test a little bit longer because most of the time we're going to be spraying Charlie. Okay, I'm going to leave these two at it. They're having great crack, and yeah, I'm going for a cup of tea. Talking a bit. Well, the 30 minutes are up, and we're back inside. But guess what? In fact, I can hear the rain on the roof of the garage here. Yes, it's just started raining outside. I'm not going back out. Charlie, the poor dog, is absolutely exhausted. He loved that waterproof test. But let's open the bag up. Big test here now. And if you're not a member of the channel, just before I reveal if the clothes or the coat inside here is dry or not, if you're not a member of the channel, become one. Really Good TV, because I'll be using this bag for, well, nearly all my trips and excursions away. So I'll keep you posted as to how the bag fares up. And I don't just mean with dogs climbing all over it and chewing it and whatever else. Right, look at that. Absolutely bone dry. Now, I've just caught a bit of water pulling it out there on the lip, but the coat itself is absolutely bone dry. Right, listen to the rain now. It's unreal here in Ireland. I know I've said it a few times already, but €60. It's a shame they don't do a whole luggage set Maybe they do. Right, I might go away on holiday now. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Really appreciate that. Don't even think about hesitating if you're looking for a bag for your bike. It's amazing. Okay, I'm out of here. Dave Perry. Wow, listen to that rain. Really good TV.